Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A60, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. To get started, we're gonna open up our settings. Just clear all of this first. So we're gonna open up our settings right over here. Then you wanna swipe all the way down to additional settings. Swipe down, and here you'll find backup and reset. Select reset phone. Erase all data. Now chances are if you have some kind of screen lock on your device, you will need to confirm it right now. I don't, so it just allows me to go through it by selecting erase all data twice, and this will now begin factory resetting my device. This process will take about a minute to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.